Happy Thursday, everyone. At least I think it's Thursday. Is anybody else's day starting to blur together and you're starting to lose track of time? Anyway, welcome back to the home care crash course. A lot of people are at home and they are trying to work, take care of kids, maybe care for an older adult in their home. And for some people, this may be the first time that they're put into this situation. Feels very stressful, maybe some anxiety, a little bit of fear. We're here to help combat that. So anything we can do to make things a little bit easier. The biggest thing we're hearing about right now is feeling isolated and feeling bored. So I have 5 things that we can do to combat isolation and boredom. Number 1, Facetiming and phone calls. We're seeing a lot of really great stories about this, so keep it up, you guys. You can even go old school and write a handwritten letter. All of these are great ways to keep the seniors in your life feeling involved and feeling a part of a community. Number 2, if you have someone who is bedbound, don't think that you have no way to communicate with them. We have technology that's really awesome. Siri can make a phone call just using your voice. Amazon Alexa is able to do the same thing. There she is. Google has a version as well. So let's use our hands-free technology to stay a part of the conversation. Number 3, if you have someone in your home, keep them involved in the family. They may want to retreat and hide in their room, maybe to feel like they're getting out of the way of everything going on at home. Don't let them. Pull them into the common areas. Make sure they stay a part of the family. They may not be able to stand at the stove to cook a meal anymore, but they can sit at the table and help chop vegetables. They may be able to help kids with e-learning. So make sure that the older adults in your home stay a part of the family and they don't isolate in their bedroom. Number 4, let's keep our brains and our minds active and entertained. Get a deck of cards, do crosswords, word searches, find a really good book, pull out an old puzzle or a board game, anything we can do to keep our minds entertained and active. Number 5, music. Turn off the TV. All we're hearing right now is some maybe stressful news stories all the time. That's going to increase kind of the anxiety and agitation in the home. So turn some music on. Focus on music from when the person was between the ages of 16 and 30. That's when our brain is most active and we're hoarding memories and partnering those memories with the music of that time. So break out the old tunes. It's going to help calm your home. It's also going to help open the conversation for some memories, which is always great. So thank you again for listening. Hopefully we're helping kind of ease the day. So if you need anything, please feel free to reach out. I'm glad to hear all of your feedback and that these videos are giving you some good tips and tricks. That's what I'm here for. So again, have a great Thursday and I will see you tomorrow.